Every new engine has an important break-in period. The primary goal of the break-in process is to establish an ideal wear profile between the piston rings and the cylinder wall. A good ring seal will make more power and have less blow-by. I also want to discuss the engine of this glider kit. It's a 14.6 liter inline-six engine based off the legendary 3406. It's a 5.4-inch bore with a 6.5-inch stroke. The 6NZ is considered one of the best cat engines ever made. The truck was on the dyno for almost 2 hours at different loads and some cool down periods. Thank you to the team at Pittsburgh Power for your help. Next up, the truck will be transported to have the body and loader put on.